So we're here today to show you straw bales for home construction. Three things that are important when selecting bales of straw to build a house out of. One, they need to be dense and firm so that they can be stacked up and create nice flat walls. And as you can see, these bales stack very well. This is a trailer load of about 850 bales. Real nice professional stacking job done by one of our drivers. Straight as an arrow down those walls. That trailer traveled probably 400 miles and didn't shift at all. The second thing that's really important is moisture. The straw needs to be dry once you cement your walls and lock that straw inside. There can't be any condensation in there, so moisture needs to be at or below 10%, whatever the air around it is. And third thing is going to be the bale size. So well, I'm just going to go over some of those things with you right now and show you that. Bale size on our bales, these are 18-inch two-string bales, 18 inches across. You're going to have 14 inches high, and the length is somewhat variable. The length is approximately 36, but that's kind of the variable side, so when you cut your strings and put these in the walls, they flake apart and they could be made into whatever length you want. Moisture in straw. It's important that the straw is not out of the field. No matter what anyone tells you, don't buy straw that just came out of the field. It needs to be below 10%. You can check that with a moisture meter. And straw should be already have been in a barn and gone through its sweat. Even if the straw was bone dry in the field, it's still going to have some moisture moving around in it as it goes through the sweat. The third thing, of course, is the density, and that's something that we really take pride in selecting. Good straw for home construction. We know what is required. These bales are dense. You can see how they stack. We could probably get this 10 high and it would still stand up by itself. And there's several factors that make density happen in bales. Windrow size and consistency, the speed that the guy is driving the baler at. You see there's a lot of flakes in this bale. He was driving at a consistent speed, and the windrow was consistent, so there wasn't big wads in there that makes egg-shaped bales. And the density, there's scientific ways to measure that, but I'm just going to stand on the corner of this bale and I weigh 245 pounds, and that's not budging. So you can see these bales are very nice and dense. That's what you need. When you buy straw from us for home construction, we're going to take all these factors into consideration. We have experience. We sold a number of loads for various homes in different areas, and if you're planning this well in advance, what we usually do is set the right straw aside for you. Our straw usually is a little bit more expensive than what you can find locally, but as I showed you, those key elements are really important, and you're only going to have one chance to put the right straw in the walls of that house, so you want to do it right. We can deliver any size load you need. Most houses require about 600 bales, which is a box trailer size delivery. We could deliver as little as 50 bales if you're short, or we can deliver as much as 800 or 900 bales on one of our big flatbeds. So whatever your plans are, we can accommodate you.